Alright, class, welcome to Wizard Class 101. I am your teacher, Professor Snape Chu, and today I will be teaching you how to use your wand. See, I have a tiny wand because I am Asian. Everything I have is tiny, and it is very important that you pay attention in wizard class. Isn't that right, Potter?
Huh? Oh, yeah, sorry, teacher. I was just texting my mom to let her know I'm rich and I'm not coming back home to that hole.
Oh, so you think you don't have to pay attention because you know everything. Well, what would I get if I added a powder root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood?
I don't know, dog. I just found out I'm a wizard and I'm rich today, so I've been kind of focusing on that. So just give me a few weeks.
And I bet you couldn't also tell me how many grains of sand there are on Earth.
No one knows that. Hop off my dog. Pick on someone else.
Alright, Cross, the first spell you're gonna learn is a little floating trick. You're going to take your stick and point it at whatever you want, and then you're gonna say, Wingardium Leviosa, and then whatever you point it at should float. So try it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Hey, Cody Potter, that spell will come in handy with your mom because she's so fat she can't get out of bed. So that spell will help her float because she's so fat.
Hagrid, he's bullying me.
Who?
The blonde kid.
Pay me to beat him up.
Okay, alright, here you go.
Alright, kid, you're coming with me. Why? He paid me.
Thanks, Hagrid.
Oh, Cody, what kind of spell is that? Bully Disappearo?
Oh, that wasn't a spell. I just got cash.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa. Whoa, I'm making this desk float. Look, that's cool.
Potter, you put that dust down. You don't want to hurt nobody.
Okay, I'll try to put it down. Whoa! Oh, I'm in trouble.
Cody, why in the world would you do that?
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Oh, that's true, isn't it?
Potter, you go to Dumbledore's office now.